Dangling modifiers. It is a phrase or clause intended to modify a certain word, but the word is not actually stated in the sentence. Or it is stated, but the dangling modifier seems to modify a different word. Now let's look at examples. Driving past the mountains, they were snow-covered and majestic. Now this is the dangling modifier because it is modifying this word, which is a wrong word for it. Okay, let's look at the next one. After traveling all day, the motel was a welcome sight. Now we cannot say that this motel was the one traveling all day. So that's why this is again a dangling modifier because it's modifying the wrong word. But how do we correct this? Now, look at the first sentence. You need to ask yourself who was driving. And the second sentence, who was traveling all day. Now, to fix the dangling modifier is to add a word that was meant to be modified. Often by making it the subject of the sentence. Like for example, this one, we inserted we. Driving past the mountains, comma, we saw that they were snow-covered and majestic. So here, we is a correct one that was being modified by driving past the mountains. The next one is to make it a dependent clause with its own subject. Look at this one. The sentence was rearranged. The motel was a welcome sight after we had been traveling all day. Now let's look at the example. This is a guided practice. I will help you with number 2. After eating a good breakfast, comma, the cave tour sounded more fun. Now this sounds like the cave was the one who ate a good breakfast. So it needs a subject. Okay, so after eating a good breakfast, we thought that the cave tour sounded more fun. So you can just put here, we thought that the cave tour sounded more fun. But when you answer this, you have to put the whole sentence all together, okay? So good luck to the rest of the questions.